do it again, and the three same bangs, it was coming from this area and echoing up towards us. So you get a. That'll be fun.
That was fucking metal scraping along the floor.
It sounded like a bell to me.
No. It sounded like someone had kicked a metal rod.
There was something landing on the floor.
Yeah, or something. But it's weird how it says go right, and I was talking about going right for us, like that's our right there.
Do you want us to go into the other wing?
And that's the room where we were getting all the activity last time. To me, Ricky, that sounded like a bell, and you said it sounded like metal hitting something on the ground.
Do you know, like when you're walking, you kick a pole,
Yeah.
and it's the metal rolling. That's what it sounded like to me, man.
Do you think someone's sneaking about or something?
No, I don't think anyone's sneaking about in here, like.